National Fishing in Schools program's goal and mission is to get kids outside fishing. It's giving them a reason to get outside and get connected.
My experiences with fly fishing, for our school it's been wonderful. It's been a great experience. Our kids thoroughly enjoy the experience that they get. A lot of the time our kids do a lot of spin casting, so they don't ever get the chance to fly fish, but those kids who do get the chance to fly fish, they really like it. We've had great success. Kids always catch fish, it seems like, and they have a great time. We've been doing this now at Southwest for, I think, 5 years or more, and it's been a great outcome.
I saw it in front of me in the water, so I was like, let's catch it with my hands.
Brings people together. You see here we've got tons of volunteers from the community. We've got teachers and kids and students coming out, so it's just fun to get people working together. A kid caught a fish. Catching fish is the best thing, the end result that we can have out of this, and get kids outside.
Felt pretty good. First catch of the day.